Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. If you have a moderate amount or a small amount of firewood logs to split and you don't want to invest in one of those big hydraulic splitters, but you'd like to get some wood to burn, I've got a great tool for you that's under 20 bucks. Stay tuned and I'll show you what it is. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. We really enjoy having a wood stove in our shop, and we buy most of the firewood for it from a local source here, and we really enjoy that. But from time to time, short logs come our way that need to be split, and we're not going to make an investment in one of the hydraulic log splitters. We just don't do enough about it. What to do? Use a great tool like this Estwing Sure Split Wedge. Now, you can see this one's been used a bit, and it's taken a little bit of abuse from a sledge as I've wedged apart different logs. But if you want to see what it looks like new, here it is in the store here. They're very nicely packaged, and they're under 20 bucks. So this hard-working tool is just simple. It's coated with a coating that makes it so that it's easy to get it unstuck out of these logs. So to do the job here, and I'm just going to give you an example. You can see we've already started to split this log, and this is what we're doing, is getting these nice chunks that burn very nicely in our wood stove. But you need just a few simple things. Obviously the wedge. Secondly, a sledge that's reasonable. I wouldn't get a big old huge one. You're going to be driving this and you want it to, the balance between fatigue and being able to do it long enough to get the job done. Of course, any striking tools, you got to have safety glasses. And then you're going to notice one other thing down here, and that is we put a bungee cord around the log we're going to split, and I just happen to set this on top of another log here. And the reason we do that, as it splits apart, the log doesn't fall apart. It stays intact, and it makes it easier to do the next split. So if you don't have something that keeps it together, it's going to be falling off the top. You're going to be chasing the wood and all that. So just get a bungee cord. And some guys and gals I've seen that split wood use a old tire and put the wood right in the middle of the tire, split it, and then pull it all out. So whatever your device is, keep it all tight. Let's get to work and see how this works. We're going to put on our safety glasses. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to just choose, and you can see I've already done some splitting here before. Let's just go ahead and do right here. I'm going to start right here, tap in using a line right there. And I strike in such a way to work to keep the wedge from not tipping over as you go. So kind of going at an angle here. We're just going to start driving. And you can see it start to do its work. And there the bungee cord helps right there. And I can go ahead and take that out. We're going to go ahead and go around like that. Now, I'm going to go sideways. Well, no, I'll tell you what, I will. I'll do a sideways cut right here. We're going to do this. There is a great feature that Estwing has done, and that's a secondary wedge right here, meaning as you drive it in deep, the wedge angle gets wider and it kind of finishes the job for you. So here we go. Well, there you go. I'm going to pull that wedge out, and we'll do just one more. Here we go. All right, there's that secondary wedge that just drove it apart at the end there. And there we go. And I'll be able to pull that apart, end up with some great wedges. It's a great tool for 20 bucks and gets us firewood pretty quickly. Well, there you have it. A great tool for under 20 bucks. It'll really speed up the task of splitting those logs so you can burn them in your wood burning stove. And while you're looking at the Estwing brand, consider getting their little hatchet as well. We really love this little leather-handled hatchet that I use to split kindling. And of course, they're famous for their construction hammers and such. And if you're in the United States, it gives you a great opportunity to support U.S. industry. If you're in another part of the world and you've got a manufacturer there, support them as well. But these are great tools. We love them. If you have a tool like this you'd like to recommend to your fellow viewers, why don't you mention it in the comment section below so we can help get the word out. If you found this video to be helpful, won't you like it? And better yet, won't you subscribe to our channel? And when you do, ring the bell, because when that happens, you'll see instant notifications approximately every Friday when a new episode comes out about the home, the shop, the kitchen, and automobiles and great product reviews. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay, going out to split some more wood.